I'm working on the old truck. These two cluster, the field gauges and the odometer, they don't work. And these are called the stepper motors. These are the old style, the where they clip into the back. These are not for 2003, 2016. This is for 99, 2002. This is the old style trucks. If this is for you, this is your stepper motor, the yellow ones that kind of twist around. Continue watching. If not, this is not for you. Okay, this is for the full-size Chevy trucks. So this one, the gauge wasn't working. How we told it wasn't working is because these other are working fine, and these have some type of like drag to it, got resistance. I took off this one, but let me show you real quick. Let me pull it out. Oh, one-handed, watch out. Hold on. Okay, so that one goes like that. It wasn't right there. So these are working fine. They have some type of resistance. Look, you can like really push on it and they kind of go back because of their magnetic motor in it. All of these work. Look, they kind of go back like to a place where they have some magnetism. So the ECM is gonna control this. When it's off, it's gonna ask to be at this point, and then it's gonna jump up whatever that the ECM tells them. Okay, so the bad one. This is for the field. And this one, look. There's barely any resistance. Just a little bit, but there was any before I took it off. It was like going around and around like a spinning wheel. Look. So this one may be bad. I'm gonna replace it just in case, or switch it with one of these. Just to test it to see if it's working now, the fuel gauge. And this one, look, the big ones are the same, but look, there's a resistance. They kind of go slow. But look, this one is not working. It does have a little bit of resistance, but it's less. Look, it bounces back and forth. So this one is bad too. Look, there's no resistance. And this one, it stops the resistance. So this one is working fine, but this one and the fuel gauge is not working at all. They're shot. So I'll be getting go to the junkyard and getting a broken cluster or whatever. They're very cheap when they're broken. Just get these stepper motors in it. They kind of twist around and you pull out the needle upwards, just in a single tight. I'm doing it, okay. And this one is shot, maybe inside on one of the windings burned out or something. So these have no resistance. They can spin really freely on it. Okay, so that was a quick video how to show you how to tell if you have a stepper motor which is bad and bounces around and the truck is not or the ECM is not picking it up or giving it enough signal for it to like handle or mark whatever you need to mark, either the fuel gauge or the oil, the bolts or whatever. So these have resistance, that they're good. And I'm assuming they're interchangeable because they're the same. They're a 4-plug, but the ECM is gonna control them where the sockets are, right here. Like that, or this one. All right, so thumbs up. Thank you.